Call Mindy.
Mindy!
Call Mindy, Charlie.
Call Mindy.
Call Mindy.
Mindy! Mindy!
You going to Portrush? Charlie.
Going to Portrush? Going to Portrush.
You eat top of tea? We top of tea.
Alright.
No, not alright. We top of tea.
Oh! Rude boy.
Are we top of tea? Charlie. We top of tea? No, don't go to Portrush. You need to be top of tea first. No.
He loves Portrush, but he does.
Charlie, are you a bad boy? Charlie, you're a bad boy.
Bad, yeah. Oh, you're a terrible bird, Charlie.
No, we top of tea. No, come in.
You're rude. What did Mummy say about blowing raspberries at people? I've been telling you, it's rude.
Charlie, you going to Portrush? Charlie, are you going to Portrush?
That's alright, bye-bye. Yes, that's alright, bye-bye.
No, don't say bye-bye. Say hello. Hello.
Say hello, Charlie. Where's Mindy? Oh, here's Mindy coming now.
Is Ashley?
I heard a noise there.
Mindy, come Mindy.
Come, Mindy. Come in. Come, Mindy.
You going Portrush, Charlie?